I was going real time, I was planning to go real time under 20 minutes, but I had several issues, so I will have a bit shorter presentation. That's why 10 minutes. So a few words about me. So I'm from Poznań, not far from here. I work for Cognified. A few of you surely know it. Nice thing. I've got a squeeze ball if I'm too stressed to talk to you, so I'll press it. Thanks, Łukasz. And I also have another thanks to Łukasz, because my dedicated server was crashed today and WebSockets doesn't work there. So Łukasz helped me out with another dedicated server. Thank you. Okay, so let's start. So this presentation will be mostly about the interaction between me and you, because always, or almost always, there is one-way connection. I show it to you, you watch it, listen, and that's all. So I wanted you to be engaged in this presentation, and I will explain it all later. It's also an encouragement for creating real-time web apps. If some of you didn't do, I think this presentation might encourage you to do that. And it's all about fun. How it works. So one more thing. I had several issues while trying to prepare this presentation, and life is hard. I finished the presentation today, I'll be honest. Shit. So real time, what is real time? It's all about if I send a message, someone immediately will get it, and if someone sends a message, I will also get it. So we could try that, and my plan is to try it now with you. So get your smartphones ready. I'll need you to use Chrome on Android and Mobile Safari on iOS. And hope that works. Yeah, and you need internet connection. Nice! 6 of you, 5 of you. I'll wait a little for you if it works. Nice! We're losing users. What's going on? 6, 7, 5. Oh, come on, guys! Nice, I like it. Like it. Cool stuff. Cool. Hope your Łukasz, hope your server will hold it. Are ready to go? No? Okay. We'll wait. Whoa, 60. 62. So cool. I've never done that. I mean, I just during the 6 hours long play of GTA 5 and thought holy shit, it's a cool idea to collaborate with people on the not just me to you, but give you the influence in the slides and so on. Oh come on, will we hit 100? This is so cool. Okay, let's go. I don't have time for that. The thing is, I'll want to create attendance list. So I'll put the mic down.
Please.
Sorry?
Enlarge it, please.
Sure.
Thanks.
Sure. I thought I would be able to Greg, nice. On your, yeah, cool. On your phone, you should be able to provide your name. Hope you provide unique name, because I'll have a little quiz later. I can give you one more chance to provide unique name. You want it? Okay, I'll do that.
Should we do it again?
Okay, it should ask you again. Oh, chef's house. Like it. DD46. Okay, so, whoa. Shit. Cool stuff, guys. What did you put in? I will definitely do more stuff like this. I love it. Okay, this is the guy who helped me out with servers and this stuff. Thanks you. I picked up I think we should have thanks for that's what the fox say. So enough the fun. I'll ask you a question, and 3 guys, girls, who will provide proper answer will win a prize. And please don't submit your answer until the questions show up, okay? Okay, I'm sending the script so you could oh shit. I don't see any proper. Okay. Okay, we have 3 answers. The proper answer is true, like Bartas said, and Maciej, cool name by the way, and Krzychu Kula. I will ask you to stand up right now, you 3 guys.
Get up.
Get up. Step up. Bartas, Maciej, and Krzychu Kula. Who's null, by the way? No, you can't do this. You can't do this. Nice try. Let's see. Oh! It's almost true. Nice. Don't forget that. Oh. We'll talk later. Nice. Yeah, no XSS. I've done XSS in high school. Okay, so let's go further. It's sad, but it's all the meat I can give you right now, because I had limited time to prepare this. I'll just show how to gain stuff like this for the guys who are not trying it. So I use Socket IO, obviously. It's the easiest one for me. So you you add the script tag, connect it to your server. So when you add it, you have this IO object, which has connect method, obviously. So for example, you can prompt the user to give his name and emit it to the server. And the server looks like this. If you require the socket IO, you have IO object or whatever you call it. It has sockets which for which you can provide like register an event connection, which is default event for the socket to connect first time, and you gain the socket object. This variable represents the guy who like connected and is trying to break my presentation by XSS and stuff like that. So you can disconnect him or something like that, or prepare for his emitting. Oh shit! We should have a string right now here. But you know what I mean. And if he emits this, you get the name right here and you can handle it. It's super easy. So, real-time web using WebSockets, it's fast and scalable. Guys, right here, these two guys created the game in, using WebSockets. And it was about shooting to each other like in Soul.game and games like that. And they had no problems to run it under 30 FPS, having 100 bullets at the screen at the same time. So it can be fast. It is multi-platform. It's not like that you can only use WebSockets on Node.js. There are a lot of implementations for Python, for PHP, for all and other languages. So it's not a problem. You can go to the Socket.io website. Oh, thank you. I need it. Sorry. Go away, little bastard. So you can go to the Socket.io website, and they have like the index of the projects, including all the languages you would want. Obviously, you can't have WebSocket implementation in Brainfuck, but you have it in Java, PHP, Python, and all other obvious languages. And it's also easy, as you did see. I wanted to show you that photo, because why not? And it's for questions. That gives no sense, I know.
I like cats too, okay. Can you tell us why some of the guys were undefined dot their answer and some of them were null dot their answer?
The other was what?
Null.
Null,
I wonder if it's about
it's
Android or iOS.
about providing no answer or cancelling the answer. I mean the name provider. So I guess I didn't check that, but I guess it's about if you give an answer that is empty string, maybe WebSockets handle it this way, and if you cancel, you provide undefined. Maybe this, not sure.
Hi, and you said it's cross-platform, so I can use it on my mobile phone. And here comes the question: if I open up my Chrome and I get connected to your server, and then I go to somewhere else, what happens to this socket? And I'm saying this because of the concern about the battery drain. Because if I open up the browser and then go somewhere else, and for example the connection is still working, what happens then?
Yeah, I mean, in the very same window, I mean, you provide the proper server name with those sockets and change the location to, for example, Google Chrome.
No. If I I've got browser opened on your on your site, and then I go somewhere else in my device. So the browser is still technically open.
I mean, it depends if, for example, you open a new tab. Most devices keep the connection, but if you minimize the Chrome browser on your device, the socket will get disconnected. And if you open up the device, socket reconnects automatically. It's implemented by Socket.io.
Yeah, thanks.
Anyone else? Come on, guys, stress me more.
How you implemented sending JS to the phones?
It's super hacky. I mean, I did this presentation today. I know it. So, where is it? Yeah, it's super hacky. So, on Load.js, I just create script element, set its attribute to the current with the new date, get time to avoid any caching problem, and append it to the DOM. So after like 4 times, I did a change in the current JS file, which is this one, and uploaded it with the sc command, which I aliased. You got another script tag in your DOM, so it was super easy and it worked, like you said, you saw. So it's not the best way you could do this, but it's the easiest way that worked. Anything else? Thank you.